So logarithmic algebra. So in this we'll be doing the rules of logarithms. Now what exactly are logarithms? The first definition will help you to understand what is logarithm. Now you are aware of exponents. So if you have an exponent like a is equal to b raised to c, b is the base, c is the index, and a is the number. So a is equal to b raised to c. Then if you have to convert this into log form, then log a, log of the number, the base will become the base of the log to the base b is equal to c, and the index will become the answer. So log of the number to the base b is equal to c. So remember that the base on one side becomes the base for the number, your number being a in this case. So let's see some examples in this case. So if you're looking at an example, so example, if your 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, you know that. To write this into log form, so my number is 8 over here, correct? So number is the term without the index, you can say. So then I'll put log in front of it. Log 8, the base is 2, so that will become the base over there. So 2 will become the base to the base 2. So you read this as log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. The index becomes your answer. That's your A. You can pause the video, review the video again to understand it well, so that you can do the exercises that follow. Suppose you've been given this, you've been given log 1 to the base 4 is 0, convert this into index form or convert this into exponent form. Then what you do is your 1, the number, is equal to, the base becomes base on the other side. So 4 becomes a base and 0 becomes a power. So 4 becomes a base and 0 becomes a power. So 1 is equal to 4 raised to 0, which is a fact. So this is how you can convert your index form to log form, or you can convert your log form to index form. Remember, the base becomes base on the other side. The other rules is, if you have log x plus log y to the base a to the same base a, then you can combine this on single log x into y. That's your product law. So numbers will get multiplied. You write a log outside and the numbers will get multiplied to the same base. So similarly, if you have log x minus log y to the same base a, then the numbers will get divided. Log to the base a, x over y. Now equal to sign means you can also say log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Log x upon y is equal to log x minus log y. You can say the other way also. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. Log of x raised to n, the power law. So the product law, this is the quotient law, this is the power law. That's your power. The power comes in front. So same base, some base a, that's your n log x to the base a. So the power which is there, it comes in front. That's how you can remember. Log of 1 to any base is 0. Log of 1 to any base is 0. This can easily be seen if you convert this into index form. So you know that your 1 is equal to a raised to 0. So if you convert this into index form, it's very easy to see that. So the base becomes base on the other side and your 1 is their number. Correct? Which is a fact. Log of a to the base a is 1. Again, it's easily seen if you convert this into index form. So when you're looking at the index form, you drop this log and the base you take it on the other side. So a is equal to a raised to 1, which is a fact. Minus log x to the base a is log 1 upon x to the base a. Now a very simple derivation. So I can show you this derivation. So minus log x to the base a, if you have. Minus log x means minus 1. This is minus 1. So that is log x raised to minus 1. That is equal to log a 1 over x. Then log of x to the base a is equal to log x to some base b upon log a to some base b. This is your change of base theorem. So if you have log of x to some base, you can write log x upon log a and you can put the same base. So you can split this log x upon log a, but you need to put the same base here and here. So that's your change of base theorem. Very, very useful. Log of b to the base a can be written as 1 over log of a to the base b. So these are the rules of logs. They are extremely important and you must make it a point that you learn them. A few of them are in the formula booklet as well.